Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, December 3rd and 4th, 2016. For your Saturday, we're going to have some breezy conditions. Partly cloudy skies will be the general rule for today, and that mix of clouds and sun will last the entire day, but those breezy conditions will have winds increase. See increased winds to generally 12 to 20 miles per hour, some gusts as high as 30, 35 maybe. So it's a few gusts over 30, but not terribly windy, but just breezy enough that you will notice it. And we get through to the evening hours, those winds will start to calm down. You could actually have a stray flurry here Saturday for our far northern tier and maybe some the northern mountains of central Pennsylvania as well. Going forward to Sunday, we have high pressure moving in, so this is going to be right over top of the area. And another partly sunny day, partly to mostly sunny day here on Sunday. And then we might have an increase in clouds late in the day because we have this system moving in from the west. I don't know that you'll see that increase in clouds during the daylight hours or not. It's, of course, the time change. With the time change, the sun's setting a lot sooner as we get near December 21st, when it's the shortest day of the year. As we get into Sunday night, however, this little weak system here might provide a few rain and or snow showers, and that will be Sunday night overnight into early Monday morning. You see there's not much here, not much at all, but here's a look at where the rain snow line is. Generally along I-78, it looks like. 78 is a good dividing line here on this map here. Now areas along I-78, you can see this blue line here representing 35 degrees, so that goes right through Allentown and Harrisburg. I can tell you that right along I-78. I can tell you there's probably a mixture of rain and snow, or snow might be snow falling, but not sticking, of course, because the ground temperature is 35. You don't have to go too far to the north, though, to get temperatures that are 32 or less, and you could get some stickage here in the far northern part of north central PA, northeastern Pennsylvania, but I really don't think this is too much that we're talking here. So maybe a coating to an inch in most places, and that's it. Just very light amounts. As a matter of fact, let's go over the NAM and just show you what the future radar looks like here for Sunday night into Monday morning. This is a look at Sunday evening and the precipitation moving in from the west. This is a precipitation type radar here. Now the 32 degree line is up here, so this is just northeastern PA at this point. In the evening that is below 32. As you move forward in time here, we get some rain and or snow showers moving into the region here, but you can see again where that dividing line of rain and snow is maybe just through or just south of the Lehigh Valley, maybe just north of Harrisburg and into northern New Jersey. It's just light snow here across northeastern Pennsylvania. Again, a coating to an inch possible, but we'll re-examine this as we get into next week and get a little bit closer. There's another system here coming behind it that's going to bring, this is going to be on Tuesday, that could bring some rain and or snow to start, changing over to rain, and that would be on Tuesday. Because of the timing of this coming in earlier, I'm going to show you the system now. Here's the system on Tuesday. Because the timing of this is coming in the morning, again, you could get in the far northern tier, it looks like just some snow at the onset that will go over to rain. We basically have a primary low here cutting through the west into the Great Lakes. It's going to be transferring energy to this one right down here, and this one's going to take over as a primary. But this is going to be well out to sea, so we're not going to get a big coastal storm. This is not a typical Miller B setup here. I know this kind of looks like that here, but this is not going to be bombing out offshore here and giving us a big snowstorm. But because this parent low is moving up to the Great Lakes here, this is on Tuesday again, you could have some snow at the onset. Now the European model is a little more aggressive with this. The European model is bringing the snow area at the onset all the way back to all the way back here. As a matter of fact, going to northern Maryland, these entire areas here that I'm circling are now under accumulating snow on the European model. So we'll have to keep an eye on this just in case. This is on Tuesday. Timing's going to play a role, and also the strength of this high to the north right here, which is going to provide kind of like a cold air damming situation with cold air wrapping in around this high and keeping it, if this is any stronger, if this high is stronger, it could actually suppress some of this precipitation and keep it from moving too far north, and it could also keep it colder on the northern fringe, and where that northern fringe may be, whether that's up here or down further, remains to be seen. Okay, but right now we're just going to follow this over the weekend and see what happens. Right, and we're not expecting anything too much of this because it is going to go over to rain either way, we think. And you go over to the next frame, you can see that here. One consolidated low now, the parent low has dissipated over the eastern Great Lakes. So one consolidated low out here, just bringing showers then on Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. So we're going to call it Tuesday afternoon showers, rain showers for now. And then we go to just after a mostly cloudy day here on Wednesday. We have another frontal boundary. This is the Arctic front that could have a rain changing to snow showers look here as we get into Wednesday night into Thursday. So I think this is the Arctic front that we've been talking about. It's going to drop temperatures back significantly. So once this frontal boundary comes through, again, a few rain showers along the front, maybe a few snow showers behind it, but it's going to get downright cold and windy once we get this frontal passage here on Thursday of next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martus. That is your outlook for the weekend, December 3rd and 4th, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.